Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a toy you liked in your childhood. You should say, what kind of toy is it? When did you receive it? How you used to play with it? And how did you feel about it? When I was about 8 years old, I was given a remote-controlled car, which is among my favorite childhood toys. It was a red sports automobile with silver wheels and elegant black stripes. I vividly recall my excitement on the day I received it. It seemed like the world's coolest device had just arrived. This gadget was a surprise gift from my parents that I got on my birthday. Owning a remote-controlled car at the time made me feel quite special among my peers because they weren't very popular, especially in small towns. It comes with a black remote control with 2 joysticks, one for turning the car left and right, and another for moving it forward and backward. Every day after school, I would play with it. I would use cushions, books, and plastic bottles as barriers to make tiny tracks in our living room. I thought of myself as a race car driver, and occasionally I would even arrange races between my car and my cousin's toy truck that was manually powered. My neighborhood buddies would also stop by to give it a try. We also timed how quickly the automobile could go around the circuit. It became a miniature version of the Formula One championship. In addition to being enjoyable to play with, I really enjoyed how it improved my hand-eye coordination and creative thinking. I became increasingly interested in the mechanics, motor, and battery system of remote-controlled automobiles. In fact, this toy ignited a passion for technology and electronics that lasted a lifetime. To me, that car was more than just a toy on an emotional level. It resembled a buddy. On occasion, I would even bring it to bed and sleep by it. Sadly, it stopped functioning correctly after a year or so of continuous use, and I was devastated. Even now, though, seeing a car with a remote control still makes me happy and brings back a lot of wonderful memories. To sum up, this toy was more than simply a source of amusement. It was important to my early years, aided in the formation of new friendships, and influenced some of my current hobbies.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.